Hello there! Today I'm showing you my top 10 heritage audio plugins. The ones I rely on for color, depth and that analog mojo. With the new heritage plugin collections, you can now get several of these tools together at a reduced price. Alright, let's jump in. The new native version of Heritage Audio's Britstrip is a great channel strip plugin. The plugin especially impressed me with its versatility and analog sound character. This channel strip offers two versions, one with Heritage Audio's own preamp and one without. The plugin also offers two different views, the classic view which is looking like the real hardware unit, and the more streamlined interface. Successor Stereo Bus Compressor plugin. The British diode bridge compressor that changed the industry finally available in plugin. Originally conceived for the mix bus, the Successor has actually become a popular choice for all the different aspects of music and sound production. Adopted by top-class engineers like Chris Lord-Agee, hello Chris, and present in thousands of studios, the Successor has become a must-have piece of output gear that's shaping the modern music production. The engineering challenge that became a plugin. It all began a few years ago while working on a project at Heritage Audio's HQ. Someone at engineering said that this classic tape delay would sound better by adding this or changing that. It soon became a recurring conversation among our engineering team, so we ended up acquiring an original unit on the second-hand market. Once the unit was home, it was modified again and again by the Heritage Audio staff, transforming it into the Heritage TapeOplex. Taking advantage of the extra options that the plugin allows, we have converted the TapeOplex into a stereo unit where you can choose different echo times for the left and the right channel, or link them to have the same or different delay time constants for each side.
I'm falling, and I can't get back up. I'm falling, and I can't get back up. I'm all in, but is it enough?
The HA81 TapeSat gives you that sought-after true analog sound of tape, allowing you to quickly add punch, warmth and depth to your vocals, synths, guitars and more. Getting that special je ne sais quoi of the golden era of recording is now easier than ever. Introducing the HA240 Gold Foil Reverb. Modeled after the original unit from Heritage Audio's private collection, or maybe its private storage room. Thought to be a non-functional unit, the original huge box sat unattended for years, waiting to be torn apart for spare parts. Was alive and sounding better than ever. Until one day, one of Heritage Audio's talented engineers opened it up for testing and realized that the unit was working properly, and that years of storage had improved its performance in ways that only years can do to classic vintage equipment. A unique plugin based on a true survivor. Based on the original unit that was heavily used by Peter in the early days of his recording career. Once we heard how the original unit sounded, we couldn't help but capture the sound and vibe of this one-of-a-kind studio classic, and turn it into a fun and musically inspiring plugin. The HA240 Gold Foil Reverb gives vocals, guitars, strings and synths a distinct, dark yet enticing space that enhances any source. Symph EQ Stereo Asymptotic Equalizer plugin. Mid-side EQ finally done right. Heritage Audio's Symph EQ is a great mastering equalizer with a useful mid-side function. The mid-side mode takes things to another level altogether. You really need to test it out and understand how quickly and efficiently you can mold your mix. Let's begin with the drums. I will link the channels first and set a low cut at around 22 Hz. I will also do a cut at around 500 Hz. We have to switch the low frequency to cut first. I will also do a boost at around 8 kHz. You can use plus 0.5 dBm switches for both channels. I will do this at a high frequency band. Alright, that's it for the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more plugin reviews and walkthroughs. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next one.